Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to start? Sign into your Google account and open Google Sheets, then click the plus to create a blank sheet. Begin by typing clear headers in row 1 and freeze that row so labels stay visible. Once done, adjust column widths and apply number, date, or text formats before entering lots of data to avoid later errors. Make sure to save often, Sheets autosaves, but give meaningful file names so you can find this workbook quickly. You'll now build calculations and structure your sheet. Start formulas with equals and use functions like sum, average, and count to compute totals and averages. Remember relative versus absolute references, lock cells with $ when needed. Once a formula is correct, drag the fill handle to auto-fill adjacent rows. Next, sort and apply filter views to explore subsets and add conditional formatting to highlight outliers. Finally, insert a chart to visualize trends so the numbers tell a clear story. You're finishing up. Share the sheet by clicking share, add collaborators, and assign viewer, commenter, or editor roles so people can only do what you want. When ready, export as XLSX, CSV, or PDF for others. Use version history to restore earlier copies if needed. If something breaks, inspect the formula bar and evaluate formulas step by step to find #ref, or hash value. Errors, often a broken reference or wrong data type. If that fails, duplicate the sheet and isolate the problem range to fix it safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.